Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a VS Code extension which allows you to connect to a VPS SSH server directly from your VS Code, so virtual private server. So there is an extension that you just need to install, which is provided by Microsoft. So if you just search for SSH in the extensions tab, this will be the extension remote SSH. So it will basically open any folder on the remote machine using SSH extension of this. So simply install this. I've already installed it. It's a verified extension from Microsoft. It's used by almost 27 billion developers. And after that, once you activate this extension, you will see this option appearing at the bottom left corner of the screen. You will see this option appearing. Simply click this option, and at the drop down you will see the series of options right here. Connect to host. This is the most obvious option by which you can select a VPS. I already have a VPS running on my freemediatools.com website. So now to add a new SSH host, you select the second option, and after that you simply provide the location where your SSH is located. In this easy way you can add this. After that, adding this, we basically select the SSH server, and then it will basically setting up our SSH host freemediatools.com. So here you provide your password of your SSH, and then it will open the files and folder. So it is setting up, it is downloading, and once again it opens up the SSH. You will see. So in this easy way you can edit directly all the files inside your SSH. Again, you just need to enter your password of your SSH, and then all the files are loaded right here. You can see freemediatools.com SSH, and now all the files it basically shows directly inside your VS Code. So in this easy way you can access all the files that you see. So in this easy way, we can connect to any SSH virtual private server using this VS Code extension. Simply install this remote SSH, and after installing it, simply at the top bottom of the screen, top left bottom of the screen, there will be this option. So connect to host, and if you want to configure as your SSH host, this is a file to do it. I've already done that. You will see that this is my host name, this is the username, port number. So you basically create this file, you basically provide the host name, then the IP address, the root, port number, everything, and then it actually connects. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.